You think you know the world? These facts will break your brain. Wait until you hear number 20. Cats can't taste sweetness. A shrimp's heart is located in its head. The inventor of the Pringles can was buried in one. Penguins propose with pebbles. A cloud can weigh over 1,000,000 pounds. Sea otters hold hands while they sleep so they don't drift apart. The longest wedding veil was longer than 60 football fields. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. A snail can sleep for 3 years. Butterflies can taste with their feet. The fingerprints of identical twins are different. There's a basketball court in the U.S. Supreme Court building. Sharks can live for more than 400 years. The human nose can detect more than 1,000,000,000 scents. A day on Saturn lasts just 10 hours. The tongue is the strongest muscle in proportion to its size. The average person walks the equivalent of 5 times around the Earth in a lifetime. Some frogs can freeze solid and come back to life when thawed. The heart beats about 3 billion times in an average human lifetime. Which of these facts shocked you the most? Comment below and hit subscribe for more Stickman secrets.